Today we are going to make a very traditional recipe, that's suke kebab. This is generally popular during Eid and also in the summer season when people prefer to store their meat by drying in the sun. This can be stored up to a year. For this I've used 1 kg meat which I've cut into long strips like this. If you want to dry this meat on a string, then you need to have the pieces really long so that you can hang them. So after they dry, you can cut them into two halves. The masala for this kebab is really very simple and you hardly need any ingredients for this. I've used about 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. You can add the chilies according to your taste. So because when this meat dehydrates, they get concentrated. So please add according to your taste. 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder and about 3/4 teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of salt. And I've added about 2 tablespoons of oil for this so that the masala clings to the kebabs well and so that the flies don't settle on the kebabs when you put it outside for drying. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste also. The masala for this kebabs is as simple as this. It's done. Let's apply this masala all over the kebabs really well. You can also add in some additional masalas like cumin powder if you want, or some people even add tandoori masala to this. It's totally up to you. You can add whatever masalas you like, but this is the basic kebab recipe that is generally made and it's really very tasty. So let's lay these kebabs for drying. I've just sprinkled some pepper powder onto them. So this is again optional. You can also add the pepper powder in the masala as well. So I've put all the kebabs onto a big plate and I'm going to sun dry these. So these are the kebabs that were in the sun for about 2 days. So this is how they looked. So you need to keep flipping them because on the other side they would be still raw. So keep flipping your kebabs and keep drying them. This takes about 3 to 4 days depending on how strong the sun is. My kebabs were completely dry on the 4th day and they are ready to be fried. So heat some oil in a pan and you can add these kebabs to the oil and fry them. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes for these kebabs to dry and they are really crunchy, tasty and delicious. So please make sure you dry them really well and then store it, otherwise it will get spoiled. And some people also like to half dry them and then fry it. That also is tasty. So the kebabs are ready. I'll transfer it onto a paper towel and they are ready to serve with simple steamed rice and dal, or you can serve it with any sides. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Do try this and let me know if you liked it.